Welcome. Do you want a search engine marketing service? Then you are in the right place. AskMe Digital Solution. We provide you our best services with our expert team at a responsible cost. But how was engine marketing service works and how it will help your business? Here we will tell you 6 points. 1. It's instant brand awareness in search engines. As stated, SEO and unpaid social media take time. Google says it can take up to a year for a quality site to scale the rankings. And your ability to do so depends on strategies applied and what the competition is doing. In contrast, same positions you at the top or bottom of page 1. A business that has no current visibility or brand recognition can instantly get some attention. 2. It grows with your business. Same, it's incredibly scalable. It's easy to start small, test things out, see what works. Keep costs low if you have a very limited budget. Then as revenues go up, increase the number of ads, remove ads that aren't working, refine your campaigns, and increase your daily ad spend. This way you never get surprised by a really high bill for advertising. 3. It reaches people in the right place and time. Nearly half of the world's population is now online. Search engines drive more traffic to websites than any other source. People use search engines because they are looking for something. Being the one to deliver it helps you build a trust bank account with that person. Even if that click doesn't result in an immediate sale, it's a touch point that furthers the person's journey toward becoming a paying customer. 4. It reaches your prime target. Search engine marketing allows you to get really focused on your target customers in a way you never could with traditional marketing. An ad in ads doesn't cost you anything until someone clicks it. When you target at this level, you connect at a meaningful level. You know exactly who will benefit most from a product or service. Speak directly to that person. 5. It can give you a competitive advantage. Through exceptional SEO, does your competitor already have a coveted top spot in the organic search results? You can appear above them with paid ads. The vast majority of businesses aren't using SEM to its full potential. With a strong SEM strategy and compelling copy of your own, you'll have the advantage over the less savvy competition. 6. It's less expensive than traditional advertising. If an SEM ad performs really well or you experience an unexpected decline in sales, it's easy to scale up quickly. Increase traffic and revenues with just a few clicks. Finally, it costs less because you know so much more about what's working and what isn't. You can directly attribute a sale to an ad. Okay, now what we can do for you? We give you the best SEM service for your business. Helps to grow your business via SEM and gives you service for long. For more information, visit our website www.askmedigitalsolution.com.